Here's your real log cabin in the woods, offering up awesome views year-round. Welcome to 2653 Schisandra Ln in Cosby, Tennessee. With 2 bedrooms and 2 baths, this perfect cabin overlooking an impressive mountain view provides over 1,400 square feet of living area on a 1.5-acre parcel. Custom built only 5 years ago with real hickory wood flooring throughout on a double lot, this open floor plan utilizes the beauty of nature through the tall windows in the great room. Enjoy cozying up to the fireplace or relax out on one of the porches in warmer weather. The kitchen, with beautiful hickory cabinets and granite countertops, offers stainless appliances and a large island for even more workspace. Your 2 bedrooms and baths were designed and constructed for the utmost in comfort as well as privacy. This owner's suite is huge with a large walk-in closet, and you can enjoy the convenience of doing your laundry behind closed doors from the bathroom. Now let's head upstairs to the loft. Here you'll find the privacy of another large bedroom, a full bathroom and closet. And here's a plus. This cabin boasts an oversized heated and cooled 2-car garage. It's large enough to hold your toys, lawn tractor or workspace, as well as 2 vehicles. With a variety of features and benefits, 2653 Schisandra Ln in Cosby is a real must-see. Call Charlotte Webb or Wendy Bolon of Why the Smokies direct